From running shoes to baby diapers, wound dressing, even electric vehicles, nonwovens are opening the door to new opportunities. With a passion for innovation, IDANA members like Johns Manville, Omia, Mogul, and A. Sally, along with countless others, are all advancing the state of the art and defining the future. Take for example Alstrom Munksjö, who during the COVID-19 pandemic developed a replaceable filter that can be inserted in reusable face masks. Meanwhile, Andritz created a state-of-the-art, fully automatic, high-speed converting line to quickly produce face and respiratory masks. And Fibertex's breakthrough nanoproducts could redefine protective masks. For parents, there's nothing worse than a leaky diaper, especially when there's no place to change the baby. Using nonwovens, Procter & Gamble is closing the nappy gap and putting an end to the dreaded diaper disaster. Speaking of hygiene, Glatfelter has developed ultra-thin absorbent cores that offer more security, comfort and discretion, while Johnson & Johnson keeps innovating the OB Pro Comfort line of tampons, which maximizes comfort while minimizing leakage. Then there's the likes of STFI, who created biogenic filter media based on thermoplastic polymers and fibers, and Spoolex, who launched an all-in-one cutting workshop. Clearly, innovation and research are at the heart of the nonwovens, driving the industry and inspiring the people behind it. As each of these companies demonstrates, with nonwovens, anything is possible. So let your imagination run wild.